video channel na road. Government is about all over those corporate dobe. All over those. All you kuche ogu ni na ndi oyo nche na kan na. Ofu onye abago na Enugu agede unu jide ha etu a hapụrụ ha ka ha were aka ha kpokọrọ ife ha kpokọnyọrọ efu ga-esi wee hapụ ya o were aka ya na-ebu ngwongwo obukọnyọrọ ịghọtago aka nsi ya abago ya ọnụ aka nsi ya abago ya ọnụ ịma na ndị anyị na-adị eti mkpu na-eche dị ka a na-arrest majority of ndị dibịa ahụ na ama ọrịa na ndị ụmụ nwa dibịa eji n'ọka pekata mpe na ha lụta atị ụmụ nwa dibịa eji n'ọka pekata mpe na ha lụta atị na-ekiri ya gido kiri alụ oge ebe anyị ekiri alụgo eje ebe uje malụ ka ngwa afọ ịkpọsara ha ịghọtago eje na your factory ebe na manufacture something because ụmụnne anyị ndị omenala gwara anyị sị nudewezie chọọchị hapụ pastọ si jezie bazie into manufacturing so ejide kata ga-akpọrọ gị jee ebe na manufacture something because na etu anyị fụ mmata ya asisi mapụta ka ọ nọ ọrụ ha ọgụ ebe a ha na factory ka ha na-emepe ọha afụ na almost every day on a daily basis ka ndị nwa dibịa na-abawanyezi ụbaba anyị ha na-emepesi factories ma ebe a na-alụ ncha ma ebe a na-alụ ude ma ebe a na-alụ ogbo ịghọtago so ejego wee gwa onye nke a were aka gị buru ife idebere n'aka nsi gị abago ọnụ na update make you know ofu nwa dibịa abago na trap gbagam more we still go down counting let the number begins ịghọtago ụnụ ma chukwu aka n'ihu Chineke wee binie n'iwe ịghọtago wee je kpọta esolu udo ebe ọ na-arahụ ụra ịghọtago ụnụ niile wee na-atụtụsi komkom oke n'ọsọ ngwere n'ọsọ. That is it. Special update. Share this video. Ọ na-enweta this video ka ba metụrụ m aka na share button. Very soon ọgụ ya duru between mụ na ndị Christian Association of Nigeria, both at their national level and the state level, Anambra State. Very soon, Oyawu Ezugo versus Christian Association of Nigeria. I want to know why that association Yejuwe City idle, doing absolutely nothing. The life of Christians in Anambra State are almost at the verge of getting into danger. Hanreba and they play unnecessary politics. If I play, there are a lot of things who are involved with Christianity and ever and at least I expected them to come up and make a statement. But if they make sure no, not about ego, because of recent work all about ego, money, koka wuzi. Yeah? They have forgotten their primary duty of ensuring the safety of Christians, of always protecting Christians and preventing any threat against Christianity. They have forgotten about that. It seems like Naimana losing for all how one supposed to read. I so for see Benine. If I had a chew, Bogu Yebidi, the Benine, Hamana Hayatu, Fuga, Jena Buja Jena and Alego. I want to come a lot of things that I expected them to come out. They cannot do anything. Yeah? There was a time a reverend father with problem Noka Ebe Financial Kagangia or Panariane, Christian Association of Nigeria. In as much as the Catholic Church, but this is a body. This is a body supposed to know for that car, they will come out. Yeah? I know for that car, they will come out. Yeah? I don't understand. How much as China na police who a body on its own, but then we police women organization na fumaka welfare of women in the police. So onwe case putaleba police force ya handle that organization handle where so the question is, if a Christian Association of Nigeria, Anambra State chapter, what are they doing about all the things that has been happening in Anambra State? What are they doing to make sure that the activities of Matthias does not endanger the life of Christians in Anambra State? Who is even Onyisinde, the chairman, Christian Association of Nigeria, Anambra State chapter? I will dig out his name. Very soon it will be Enugu versus Kan, Anambra State chapter. And we might have fanalo. What the fanaba and they waste the time and they will take the faneli. Although just sign the Lego na Abuja faneli and they kayasana guru because Oka all about ego money. Kerebego is where Pota Kaneli, Kerebego is where Pota Kaneli. Have done about doing absolutely nothing. Now Lord Jopo, my Ndoka local champion, Nana Kolhegoneti Naba. Primary Olono is to protect the interest of Christians in Anambra State. Yes, that is your primary job. Olono Guni make at least a statement against all the threatening words Matthias use against Christians. Une make sure this petition Ono supposed to read the first petition against Matthias. Una supposed to give but respond to him. Their petition get here at attention of the Anambra State government. I was so shocked to find out that from yesterday, the government they are not aware of activities of Matthias. Yes, I was so shocked. What is Khan doing? Khan is supposed to give present to such a person. Their petition will jail Anambra State government. They are supposed to have done that a long time ago. Government are now monitors the activities here. But I was so shocked to see that not yesterday. Yeah? Doing nothing. Very incompetent people are supposed to be changing the name on that seat because they are not doing anything. They are sleeping and they are just answering names, eating money. Very soon it will no longer be against me, Matthias Namdoto. It will be against me and the Khan, Anambra State chapter, because they are not doing anything. They are not even protecting the people as well to protect. They are not doing that.